Precision in the kitchen is paramount, and when it comes to achieving culinary perfection, the right tools make all the difference. Among the unsung heroes of the culinary world are measuring cups, simple yet indispensable instruments that ensure accuracy and consistency in every recipe. In this guide, we unveil the top 5 measuring cups that stand out for their durability, accuracy, and user-friendly design, elevating your cooking and baking endeavors to new heights of excellence. Number 5. Norpro 4-cup capacity plastic measuring cup, multicolor. About this item, made of high-quality, food-safe plastic. Clear plastic for easy viewing, easy to read, US and metric measurements. Large, sturdy handle and pour spout for easy pouring, handy for all cooking and baking needs. Use every day to measure liquid and solid ingredients. Top shelf, dishwasher safe. Number 4. OXO Good Grips 3-piece angled measuring cup set, black. About this item, patented angled surface lets you read measurements from above, eliminates the need to fill, check and adjust, standard and metric measurement markings, dishwasher safe and BPA free. Number 3. Pyrex 4-cup glass measuring cup for baking and cooking, dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe. Essential kitchen tools. About this item, essential kitchen tool for cup measuring cups that are perfect for baking, cooking, mixing and more. Easy to read, featuring bold and large measurements in both ounces and milliliters, making this effortless to read. Precise pouring. Adding milk to your cake batter? We got you covered. All Pyrex measuring cups feature a curved spout for non-mess pouring and easy grip handles for comfort. High-quality glass, non-porous glass is BPA-free, non-toxic and won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains. Durable measuring cups. Need to melt a cup of butter for a batch of chocolate cookies? Just throw our Pyrex measuring cup in the microwave. High-quality tempered glass is dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe. Number 2. Pyrex 2-piece glass measuring cup set, includes 1 cup and 2-cup tempered glass liquid measuring cups, dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe. Essential kitchen tools. About this item, before cooking items that may release liquid, including fat, food juices, or moisture from frozen foods, in your Pyrex glassware. Add a small amount of liquid to cover the bottom of the dish before you put it in the oven. This serves to minimize any potential sudden temperature change that may occur as the food releases liquid. Once a Pyrex dish is already hot, do not add liquid to it, for example, by basting with liquid not already in the dish. Adding liquid to hot glass may compromise the product's strength, potentially resulting in breakage. Number 1. Pyrex glass measuring cup set, 3-piece, microwave and oven safe, clear. About this item, 3-piece, includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4-cup measuring cups that are perfect for baking, cooking, mixing and more. Dimensions for 1 cup, 6 foot diameter x 4.5 high. Dimensions for 2 cup, 6.5 foot diameter x 4.5 high. Dimensions for 4 cup, 8 foot diameter x 6 high. Easy to read, featuring bold and large measurements in both ounces and milliliters, making this effortless to read. Easy grip handles. Adding milk to your cake batter, we got you covered. All Pyrex measuring cups feature a curved spout for non-mess pouring and easy grip handles for comfort. Microwavable. Need to melt a cup of butter for a batch of chocolate cookies? Just throw our Pyrex measuring cup in the microwave. High-quality tempered glass is dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe. Non-porous glass is BPA-free, non-toxic and won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains. Pyrex is the #1 brand of glass prepware, loved for generations, experienced cooks and beginners alike have reached for Pyrex brand glassware products because they're affordable, durable, and great for all their cooking, serving, and storing needs. Source: the NPD Group/Retail Tracking Service, $12 me December 2022.